Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you some items that I purchased from Walmart to make my baby door hanging wreath for my hospital stay. I picked up these from Walmart, also the sign. The little animals I purchased from the dollar store. They were $1 each, but everything else pretty much came from Walmart. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So as you see, I've kind of already started the wreath. I do apologize. I don't know what happened to that clip, but I'm going to show you pretty much what I did to get the fluffs that I have there. So what I'm doing right now is I am going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to take the burlap between each of the spaces on the wreath and just pulling it upward. And I'm going to continue to do that to all of the spaces in the wreath, and I think it's like 3 spaces. And I'm just pushing it. I'm starting from the bottom, and then I am pushing it inward. You see how I'm doing that? And I'm just going straight in. And I'm making sure to have it straight. And then what I'm going to do is to just scrunch that together to give it the fluff. And I'm going to continue to keep doing that throughout the whole wreath. Now, how do I secure the bottom of that once I've scrunched it together? I take the bottom and I twist it, and you want to twist it tight. And make sure that the burlap is kind of straight, because I mean, whenever you're twisting it, you see how it was kind of like raveling together there. So once you get it tight and into a good tight position, you want to continue to just do the same steps that I did before, just going under between the loops like before. And I'm just going to continue to keep doing that as I stated until I'm finished with the wreath.